You can train your Jotform AI chatbot easier and faster using your existing Canva designs. Yep, Jotform AI chatbots can instantly learn everything they need to know to answer customer questions from reviewing your Canva design. No need to manually add data or train it yourself. I'll show you how to instantly train your Jotform AI chatbot using your Canva content. Let's go. In the Canva design that you want to add an AI chatbot to, just go to Apps and Your Apps if you've already installed the Jotform AI chatbot app. And if you haven't, you can search for it here in the App Store and install that. If you've already logged into Jotform and synced your Canva and Jotform accounts, you'll see all your existing chatbots here along the left, and you can use any of them in a Canva design. But the easiest way to get started with an AI chatbot in Canva is just to go down here at the bottom where it says Create New AI Chatbot and click that. And right away, it just starts reading the design that you have open, adding all the information, learning from it, and it will create a chatbot that knows, in this case, this annual report template. So this is really ideal for presentations or any kind of document that's really text heavy that has a lot of information in it. So here we go. We have our Jacqueline, a report analyst, and here is our chatbot. So there are several customization options here that you can do right from Canva, and then of course click Advanced Settings to head over to your Jotform workspace for some more. We have lots of videos showing how to customize the look and feel and tone of voice and all of those settings of your chatbot, but for this I'll show you how the training works for Canva. So in that setup phase where it was scanning the document, that's it. It trained itself. So in this case, that's knowing all of this presentation about this annual report, and I'll show you what that looks like in practice. Okay, so this is the public view link of this presentation from Canva. So this is what anyone would see if you were sharing it directly from Canva. And as you can see, it's already added a couple of quick pick selections here to explore the annual report details and review key highlights. So those are two quick options. Someone could just click and get the answer right away rather than having to type something in the chat box here. So let's try one of those just so you can see how much it's learned from that quick scan at the beginning. So here it answers, key highlights include steady revenue growth from 10,000 to 25,000, blah, blah, blah. It's just summarizing the findings of the report there. So users can use those buttons, or they can type their own question like, what are our annual sales? And get an instant response without having to sort through what could potentially be a 100-page document. That's it. That's how fast it is to train your Jotform AI chatbot right in your Canva design. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more awesome Jotform tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!